Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I'm here today to share with you a new subscription. Well, I've had this in the past, years ago, but I just signed up again for BoxyCharm. And BoxyCharm is now owned by Ipsy. It does the glam bags. I did subscribe to Ipsy last year, and you know, having the samples, I just felt like I wanted full-size products so I could have stuff and really have a chance to try it, to know if I was really going to like the products. And with BoxyCharm, you get 5 full-size products and it's 30 bucks. I will leave or put a link for you in the space below. I think it might be a referral link, but and usually I'll put what it is down there because I think you get some kind of discount if you've never done this before, the service before. So yeah, this is a surprise. I have no idea what's inside it, but like with the glam bag that I was getting before, I got these samples or deluxe samples in a cute little makeup bag. This is not in a makeup bag, and it's full-size products. So back when I very first signed up for BoxyCharm, I was really just kind of clueless about makeup. I mean, I always wore makeup, but what I tended to do was, I can't even remember the name of the company that did this, but they had a makeup box that you would get that matched your skin tone. So you would get the, like mine was the peach box, and because I have kind of gold undertones to my skin, and it would have foundation and blush and eyeshadow and lipstick and eyeliner and mascara that they would send me, and it all went together and it all matched my skin tone and my hair, and so I didn't have to think about getting this brand of eyeshadow and this brand of lip product or whatever. I just bought the whole thing together. And so when they went out of business eons ago, I did not know what to do. I literally went into an Ulta store and walked out with nothing. Can you believe that? Because I did not know what to get. I just didn't know anything about makeup. So when I signed up for BoxyCharm, all that to say, I learned a lot about different products, and I'm kind of feeling like I'm a little bit in a rut right now with makeup and not really crazy about stuff that I have, and so I thought I would try it again. So, okay, so here is the box, and my favorite color is purple. This is all purple inside. So if I want more information about any of the products, then I can scan the QR code and get more information. All right, so let's take a look at what I have. So these, like I said, these are all surprise. I didn't know I was getting any of this. This is Il Makiage, ILMAKIAGE, and it is Color Boss Squad. It's really hard to read this. Multi-dimensional eye color quad. Oh, so it's a palette. I hope it's one I really like. I have some eyeshadow palettes right now and I don't love them. I mean, I'm kind of getting sick of them, actually. I've been using the same one, same kind for a long time. So here's the package. Boy, getting older just stinks, right? You can't look at anything and see anything anymore. So, oh, these are pretty. Okay, this is really dark. These are dark, and there's some kind of glittery ones, and I will only wear glittery eyeshadows on my lower lid. I don't wear it up here because it just, do you guys get this? Like where your skin looks just crepey? Well, okay, if you're watching this and you're younger, the answer you're saying is, no, I don't get this. Well, I just turned 60. So yeah, I get this crepey eyelid skin. But we have, put some of these on here. Yeah, these are definitely like glittery, shimmery But then there's two that are not. One of them is super dark, kind of a dark purple. So I am excited to try this. And I think also I'm gonna do a little bit of hunting around to see if anyone on YouTube or maybe even on the company's website is showing like a tutorial for using these and, you know, putting them on together in a certain way. Because while I know more about makeup than I used to, there's still a lot I don't know. So, okay, nice new palette for me. That's good. And nice winter shades. All right, the next thing is a tube of something. It is Dermalect, I don't know. Flawless. I have no idea what that says. It is a flawless treatment. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's a retinol. A natural retinol alternative. That's sensitive skin, phyto cream, targets the look of fine lines. And so you gently smooth it onto cheeks, forehead, neck, and chin. That is actually pretty nice. I know that there are, I don't know, I've heard people say that you shouldn't use retinol products. I still use Retin-A. And I don't know why it is. I've heard people say that they're bad for you, but when I look up like why, there's no research that I find. So I just keep using it. But anyway, what I'm gonna do with this is try it. It said on the neck, right? Because I can't use Retin-A on my neck. It just gets super irritated. So this is gonna be something that I am going to try on my neck. Let me smell it. Yeah, it has absolutely no scent. Yeah, it's very creamy, kind of thick, and you would normally put it on your forehead, cheeks, neck, chin. Did it say that? Did it say neck? Let me just make sure, because I'm getting all excited about being able to use this on my neck. Yeah, it does say neck. So yeah, that's going to be awesome because I will continue to use my Retin-A on my face, but it would be great to have a retinol product that I could use on my neck that doesn't cause irritation. So, oh, when I do my next, sorry, there's like a truck going by and I was getting distracted. When I do my next video, when I get my next BoxyCharm box, it will be a very quick review of these products and then an opening, an unboxing of the new ones. So I will give you a little bit of a recap of how these work. Okay, so the next one is a box of something. Iconic Enrich and Elevate Mascara. Okay, and I am on the hunt for a mascara. Yeah, let me go ahead and open this up. I have had a couple of mascaras in the past that I absolutely loved, and then it's the kiss of death when I find a mascara that I love because they always go out of business. So something about me loving their products makes them not last. Okay, so this has a really tiny, not very fluffy spoolie on it, and it'll be interesting to see how that works. But I have found that, like, I don't know, just because a mascara does not have a thick, fluffy spoolie on it doesn't necessarily mean that it doesn't make your eyelashes thick. It just kind of depends. So I'm very excited about trying that. All right, the next thing we have here is by Pure Lease. I love their products. And it's a Kale and Vitamin K Exfoliator. Kale and Vitamin K. I wonder if it's green. Rich in phytonutrients, detoxifies and tightens pores. And it's good for all skin types. It is a good size tube here. Let me... you know, I used to, when I lived in Flagstaff, Arizona, I lived at high elevation and I was always so careful when I opened products because the elevation made everything squirt out, but I'll have to do that now because I live almost at sea level. Okay, let's get this out of here. Squeeze this on, if I can get it out. Yeah, no, is it green? It's definitely an exfoliator. I don't know. I think it looks like it's sort of a greenish gray color. And not that the color really matters. It's an exfoliator, right? You're going to use it and then you're going to rinse it off. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. Oh, I do want to mention when you sign up for BoxyCharm, you get to go through a pretty extensive questionnaire, and they ask you, when it comes to makeup, are you clueless? Are you an expert? Are you kind of in the middle? Are you adventurous with colors? Would you rather stay with neutral tones? Whatever. So you can name all of these different things. I remember the first time that I signed up, I was a little too adventurous in what I said I would like to try, and I was getting a lot of things that I didn't like. And so when I changed it and was more conservative, I found that I was getting things that were way more like things that I would try. It also asks you if you would prefer to get more makeup products than skincare products or vice versa, or if you just want to be surprised or have both or whatever. So anyway, I'm excited about this exfoliator. And the last thing is a set of brushes. So it's always fun. I never really know like what kind of brushes to have. I have quite a collection, but yeah, I found some really good ones by surprise. So here are the brushes. We have like an angled brush, and then and I'll put in pictures for you. We have kind of a round fluffy brush, and then, what do you call it? Is this like a stippling brush? It's flat. That's the one bad thing about having to use the QR code to get the information in an unboxing. But I will tell you more about this next month. Let me see if they say anything about this. It's by Ace. Is it Beauté? Because it's B-E-A-U-T-E with the accent mark over it. And so it does not say a number on the brushes. It doesn't say anything about what kind they are. So yeah, I'll try these out, and next month when I get my next box and do my quick review, I will let you know how I use these brushes and what I thought of them. So yeah, so quick review. I got this Il Makiage eyeshadow palette. I got some makeup brushes. I got a Perlice and makeup brushes by Ace Beauté, Perlice Kale and Vitamin K exfoliator. I got mascara by Iconic, and Dermalect, the natural retinol product. So very excited about this. Anyway, you guys, I did put a link in the space below. If you're interested in signing up and you want a discount, I will put the info in the space below for that. And join me next time when I come back and show you my next box and what I thought of this stuff. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.